Hello, everybody. Happy Thursday. Vlogmas number 14. Yes, guys, that is correct. And today's Vlogmas is we in the kitchen. So we're making some, I just showed you, flashed you guys some fried shrimps. And actually, those are the cocktail shrimps that are already cooked. You get them in the bag at Walmart or your local store. And what we did is we just added some olive oil. This is olive oil right now. My daughter, go ahead, is going to add a little bit of vegetable oil to this, guys. And we're going to fry a bag. And this is actually going to be a little experiment for us. That's enough. Because we never tried this before. We're going to, you guys have probably seen this before. So this is the, like, you know when it comes like the bag of seafood mix or whatever. You can get these also at your local store. We got this from the local supermarket, you know. But it's like the bag of seafood, and it comes with all kind of seafood. So what we're going to do is we're going to fry that up. And we have a mixture that we already made. It's already pre-made. We seasoned some flour with some onion powder, garlic powder, some salad seasoning because it has so many pretty seasonings and flavors and actual vegetables in it. We use that as well to just give the flour a little bit of flavor. We're gonna deep fry that. She's gonna dip the seasoning. She's gonna add some more seasoning to it as well, guys. And this is Cajun seasoning. She want to put a little spice in it, so we're gonna add a little bit of that to our batter so that she can go ahead and fry. And like I said, guys, this is an experiment because we've never fried this bag of seafood before. So we're going to give this a little shot and see how it turns out. Hopefully it will go fine. So what she's doing right now is she's dipping all her seafood from the seafood. Is that the whole bag? See how it's... Oh, okay. No, I mean, but that bag that's what you have.
I don't like how they have
it's air. Like they have a whole bag of air, guys, but it's not that much seafood. So what she did was she dipped the seafood in the flour. Go ahead. Nope. Yep, it's hot enough because the bottom one was already. And we're gonna dip that inside the grease, guys, and let's hope for the best because, like I said, this is the first time we've ever fried all this stuff. The seafood mix out the bag. So, and it has scallops, it has shrimps, it has I think oysters, clams. It has like a mixture.
Oh, squid, yeah.
Yep, squid, which is my favorite. So we're gonna fry squid, mussels, all that, guys. So we'll see how this goes. This is gonna be different because we've never, like I said, I always buy these bags, but I use them for like other things. I never really use it for actually frying seafood. So we're gonna see. That's what today's Vlogmas is about today, guys. It's about family in the kitchen. Frying it up in the kitchen, guys. Doing what we do. Working together in the kitchen, family. And my daughter's right now mixing her little and she just dipped it in there. And we got, you know, we're going to deep fry it because it is seafood. We don't got that much oil, but it's just enough to deep fry it. And let me give that a little spin, see how that's coming along. I'm dying to see how this comes along because it has mussels and everything in here. This is going to be awesome. Well, just let it go. And we have our heat at a nice, a medium to high heat, guys. Not too low, not too high. Just you know, high enough to cook the seafood. And she's dipping again, once again rolling her flour, her seafood in the flour. And she's gonna dip, guys. This is amazing. I'm dying. If you could just see, it's fried, it's squid and everything. So like, yeah, I want to see how this is gonna turn out because if so, guys, that's a nice little quick little thing for you guys to try from now on. Those seafood mixes in the bag, throw them and fry those in a pan. If you've never tried that before, guys, we'll see how this goes. So you can put some more in there, Brianna. You got enough to, yep, I will fill that up. Because there's plenty of grease in there. Exactly. Yes. And if you guys see, you see like the bubbles and stuff, because that's all like the flour and stuff inside the oil, just like, you know, bubbling up. But guys, this is crazy because I just really want to see how this is gonna come out. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Are you kidding me? Oh, fried squid, fried mussels, everything, guys, in the seafood mix bag, guys. So I want to take this time, guys, and tell you and say thank you so much. Daily, consistently, and constantly, because you guys know where it's at. Happy Vlogmas Day number 14, Thursday, December 14th, guys. Stay tuned, because I will upload a quick little pic or short showing you guys how that seafood came out. Again, this is In the Kitchen, Coston Family Edition for Vlogmas Day number 14. Thanks, guys, for watching. Bye.